Hey, what is up guys, it's your boy FZM back after quite a long time out. Yeah, it's been like over a month plus. So yeah, it's been a tough time for me recently for myself, trying to work a lot of things out in my mind. There's a lot of things going on right now. But hey, I'm extremely glad to be back. And wow, this channel has grown an incredible amount since my last upload. It goes without being said, thank you so much for all the support. I can't believe the channel has hit 7,000 subscribers. I never even thought I'd have 700 subscribers, never mind 7,000. I can't wait till we cross over 9,000. Right, let's do this, let's get on with the show. It's the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus the Huawei Mate 10 Pro head to head in a speed test. Right, time to begin. I'm going to boot up both devices at the same time. Let's go. Wow, a near identical boot up time with super fast speeds. I'll let you guys be the judge of that one, but I think the Mate 10 Pro just edged it. Okay, the next test. I'm going to launch the apps and we'll see which phone launches the apps the fastest. Let's go. Okay, so let's kick things off with the first app. Let's go into the phone dialer. The Mate 10 Pro is faster. Alright, let's go into settings. Again, the Mate 10 Pro. Next up is the Play Store. Again, faster on the Mate 10 Pro. Okay, let's go into YouTube. Very fast times on the Mate 10 Pro. So, leading the way. Alright, let's go into Instagram. A little bit quicker on the S9 Plus, and the refresh on the feed was basically the same. Okay, let's go into Snapchat. Again, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Next app, let's go into Shazam. And again, a little bit quicker on the Mate 10 Pro. Next app is 8-Ball Pool, first game. Let's see who comes out quicker here. Again, a little bit quicker for the Mate 10 Pro. So definitely winning the apps test at the moment. Asphalt 8. Again, the home screen came up a little bit quicker. But let's see who comes onto the main home screen. And that's the S9 Plus. Cool. Right, let's move off Asphalt 8. And we'll go into the next game, which is Temple Run 2. So the Mate 10 Pro appears to be a little bit quicker, but the loading time suggests otherwise, and they're about at the same by the looks of it. Yeah, that's right, they've come out pretty identical. Yeah, that's identical, no doubt. So let's just start them up, and I'll let the games run, and I'll come back to it for the RAM management test. Next up is Subway Surfer. And the S9 Plus seems to be just a little bit faster, and yeah, it comes out quicker. So again, I'll just get the game going, come back to it. Right, Mario Run, exactly the same, and there you go, pretty much even. S9 Plus just nicked it. Right, Mixer. Okay, we've got two different screens, so we can ignore that app for now. Let's go into Twitch, and that was the same. Alright, let's go into Netflix. So yeah, that's the S9 Plus. So it's making a comeback, it's doing a bit better now. Boomerang, the same. Let's see the response. Looks like the Mate 10 Pro's got a slightly quicker response time on the Boomerang Instagram app. Okay, let's go into the Google Play Movies. And again, the S9 Plus is redeeming itself, doing a lot better now on the last half of the test. And finally, Google Play Games. And that was exactly the same. If you want to be technical, probably the S9 was faster. Okay, so next up is the RAM management test. Let's see how well the apps have been held in memory. So we'll go all the way back up to the top, and we can start off with the Contacts, which was the first app. And let's go into settings. So those two were held fine. Next up is Play Store, held on memory. Now I expect both devices to perform exceptionally well, and as you guys can see, the homepage of YouTube was the same. Instagram, great, it's held on memory. and that's a refresh just to load the feed, which is absolutely normal, of course. Okay, let's go back into Snapchat. That's fine. Okay, next up is Shazam, and that's good to go. So it's also good to test the responsiveness of the buttons, and both phones seem to have very good responses. 8-ball pool, that's also held on memory. Right, let's go back up. Asphalt 8, normally the tricky one. And again, fantastic. Both phones have done a great job holding off the phone in exactly the same position as when I launched it. Okay, let's move off Asphalt 8 and let's continue the RAM management test. Gonna go back up into Temple Run 2, and again it's held on the memory of both devices, continuing off from where we started it, which is good. Alright, let's go into Subway Surf, and the same, resuming exactly, which is great. Both phones at the moment are tied. Let's see who can continue it. Again, Mario Run is also held on memory. Next up, Mixer. So 2 different screens, but no issues either way. Twitch, perfect. Let's just move off that and let's keep going. Round it up. Netflix, brilliant. Boomerang, so the photo that we took, still there. And next up, Play Movies, perfect. So a flawless run so far. Let's see if we can get all the apps. It'll be a great achievement on both phones if we can get all apps held on memory, and clearly we did. Absolutely brilliant by both devices, very impressive, and there was no slowdown whatsoever. Both phones were very efficient in bringing up the apps, which is great to see. Now, the fingerprint sensors. Thankfully, a much more efficiently placed sensor for the S9. So both fingerprint sensors are at the back of the devices. So the fingerprint speed test in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's check it out a few more times. Cool. Okay, I'll do a final reboot test. Let's see which phone comes out the fastest here. And 3, 2, 1, go. So, let me hear your thoughts on this matchup. Are you rocking the new S9 Plus, or have you got the Mate 10 Pro from last year? And which do you think is overall the better device? Let me know in the comments section below. I just want to say a big thank you for the S9 Plus courtesy of Gadget Switched, a very close friend of mine who you might see in the comments section, so give him a shout out. Follow him on Instagram, he's creating some awesome content, and he's starting his own YouTube channel very soon, so good luck to him. Thanks again bro, much appreciated. So guys, leave your suggestions for the next epic matchup. Let me know what phones are hot right now and what deserve to be tested. Thanks once again for all the support. I really hope you enjoyed this video after my long time away, but I'm back, here to stay, and in it for the long run. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Peace.